What's up guys, this is MySQL Gyan and today we are going to unbox StillerSafe screen guard for MacBook Pro 13 inches. They are saying it is lab tested and will reduce eye strain. Let's check out what's in the box. In the box we have instruction manual and screen guard itself. Yes, and they do provide screen guards for mobile, tablets as well along with laptop. They have given WhatsApp number as well. So I am ready with my MacBook along with cleaning kit for cleaning of a screen before applying screen guard. Screen guard size is perfect. We need to peel this plastic layer on both sides before the installation. We have placed the screen guard. Now I am going to remove the outer layer. Yes, that's it. That's the screen guard. It's pretty clear and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.